Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. This video demonstrates how to set up outbound rules in 3CX. To begin, click on the Outbound Rules tab. Click on the Add button. Voxtelesys supports national, E164 No Plus, and E164 calling formats for 3CX dialing. The E164 calling format is the required format for 3CX SMS. We will first demonstrate how to create the 11-digit rule name. Name the rule name outbound 11-digit and set the call to numbers with a length of to 11. Set the route to the Voxtelesys trunk and set the prepend to a plus sign. Click on OK when you're finished. Next, we'll demonstrate how to create the 10-digit rule name. Name the rule name outbound 10-digit and set the call to numbers with a length of to 10. Set the route to the Voxtelesys trunk and set the prepend to a plus sign followed by 1. To create a standard international dial plan with the E164 format, follow these steps. Name the rule International Plus. Select the Voxtelesys trunk as the route. Select the plus sign as the prepend. To set international numbers starting with 011, name the rule International 011. Set the calls to number field with the prefix 011. Set the route to the Voxtelesys trunk. Set the strip digits to 3 and the prepend to a plus sign. To create an emergency rule, set the call to numbers starting with the prefix to 911, 922, 988. Set the call to numbers with a length of to 3. Dialing 922 will test your 911 address without disrupting 911 service centers. Dialing 988 is the National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. Voxtelesys supports calling 988 from your PBX system. You can also dial 800-273-TALK or 8255 directly. Set the route to Voxtelesys trunk. To change the specific area code dial plan, pick a name for the rule. Set the call to numbers with a length of to 7. Set the route to the Voxtelesys trunk. Set the prepend to add +1 and the area code you want to 7-digit dial. To create a prefix caller ID, pick a name for your rule name. Set up the calls to numbers starting with the prefix to a prefix of your choosing. Prefix rules are recommended to be below your main rules under the rule name. Set the call to numbers with a length of setting to 13 for 10-digit and 14 for 11-digit. Set the route to the Voxtelesys trunk. Set the strip digits to 3. This strips off the 100 so it does not get sent in your call to Voxtelesys. Since we're adding 100 to the number, we need to increase the length by 3. Set the prepend to +1 for 10-digit and plus for 11-digit. Set the outbound caller ID to the ID you want to send with this prefix. Congratulations! You've successfully set up outbound rules in 3CX. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX, as well as other helpful guides.